Hi, our second programming problem is to reverse a number. Okay, so before coming to that, I want to tell you something about programming languages. That is why do we need programming? So, computer is an electronic device that stores and processes data, carries out some arithmetic and logical operation inside it, and gives some output. Okay, so computer only understands binary format. So how can we make computer understand that what we are trying to say the computer? So that there comes the idea of programming languages. Okay, now uh, we cannot directly feed an English language to a computer because it cannot understand that. It only understand in 0 1 format, that is binary format. Okay, so we need some other languages that computer will easily understand. So uh, some high level programming languages are C, Java, Python, etc. So why they are high level language? Because they are English like language, and we can use English English syntax, not syntax actually. We can use English like words in our C or Java or Python program. So and we cannot directly feed that C or Java program to the computer. We need a compiler to convert it to the machine level language that computer understands. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, so previously what we had seen that we were dividing some number 1 2 3 4 by 10, and um, we have we have a remainder and a quotient. So we were extracting the digits through remainder section, and we uh, initiated a while loop. Through that we passed the quotient, and that is how we have done the previous program. Okay, so now we have to do is reverse the program. Okay, so basically I have copied the same program that previously I have done. So this is the previous program. Okay, we need some modifications in to do our today's program. Okay, so we don't need sum and multiple, so I shall delete that multiple variable and sum variable. We don't need that, just we need number and a remainder. Okay, so we all know that remainder, we are extracting the numbers from a remainder. So what we have done is, at first we have entered a number. Okay, now if number not equal to 0, then while we have entered in our while loop, so we don't need sum and multiple. So delete that also. Okay, that also. And okay, so this is our program to reverse the number. Okay, so I am explaining it to you. Okay, so suppose we have a number 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so if 4 5 6 7 8 is not equal to 0, so that will enter in our while loop. And 4 5 6 7 8 percent 10 equal to, that is the remainder section, so it will be 8. And number, that is 4 5 6 7 8 by 10, so that is basically the quotient. So quotient will be um, 4 5 6 7 8 will be eliminated. Okay, so this is the remainder, and this is the, and the loop will continue like that, and we will print the remainder. And so that is how our reverse of the number will be extracted. Okay, so I am now running this program. Just see that. Okay, so like we have given a number 98765. Okay, so enter. Yeah, you can see that the reverse is 456789. 456789.